Next is formula for Pythagorean triplet. If A, B, C are natural numbers and A greater than B, then A square plus B square, A square minus B square, 2AB is a Pythagorean triplet. Means three numbers are given. A is greater than B, ए हा बी पेक्षा मोठा असेल तेव्हा ए स्क्वेअर प्लस बी स्क्वेअर, ए स्क्वेअर मायनस बी स्क्वेअर, 2ab हे काय असेल? पायथागोरियन ट्रिपलेट. मग क्वेश्चन तुम्हाला असा असू शकतो, फाइंड पायथागोरियन ट्रिपलेट इफ ए इज इक्वल टू 3 अँड बी इज इक्वल टू 2. म्हणजे तुम्हाला ए आणि बी च्या किमती दिल्या असतील, व्हॅल्यूज ऑफ ए अँड बी गिवन, देन यू इझिली फाइंड द पायथागोरियन ट्रिपलेट इन विच ए इज always greater than b. Now first a square plus b square, substitute the values of these. A 3 square plus b means 2 square, this is equal to 9 plus 4, square of 3 9, square of 2 4, how many this one? 13. Okay. Next a square minus b square, this is equal to 3 square minus 2 square, this is equal to 3 square 9 minus 2 square 4 5, 9 minus 4 5. And third number 2ab, 2 into value of A 3, value of B 2, 3 2 जा 6, 6 2 जा 12. Here you write 13 5 12 is a Pythagorean triplet. Understand? Means if values of a and b are given, you easily find the Pythagorean triplet by using formula. Which are these two numbers? A square plus b square first number, a square minus b square second number, and third 2ab. You easily identify 13 5 12 is a Pythagorean triplet. How to it find? 13 square 169, equation first, 5 square 25, and it is 144, means 25 plus 144 169, means it is a Pythagorean triplet. Okay. Now next concept is property of 30 degree 60 degree 90 degree triangle. What that property? You studied that in 9th standard. If angles of a triangle are 30 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree, then side opposite to 30 degree. Here angle A is a 30 degree, its opposite side is BC. Side opposite to 30 degree. Angle A 30 degree, its opposite side is BC. This BC is equal to half of the hypotenuse. BC is equal to 1 half AC. Now first I write the property. Angles of a triangle are 30 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree. Here if angles of a triangle are 30 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree, then side opposite to 30 degree is half of the hypotenuse and side opposite to 60 degree is root 3 by 2 times hypotenuse. Okay. From figure, in triangle ABC, angle A 30 degree, angle B 90 degree, and angle C 60 degree. Okay. Angle C 60 degree. Side opposite to 30 degree. This is BC. BC is opposite of this angle A, means first BC is equal to 1/2 AC. Second, 60 degree angle, its opposite side AB. 60 degree angle, its opposite side AB. AB is equal to root 3 by 2 into hypotenuse AC. AC is the hypotenuse. This is a 30-60 90 degree triangle property. You use this by solving, by finding the values. If triangle ABC is 30-60 90, out of two sides are given, you easily find remaining one side. Okay. Now next property is 45 90 degree triangle. What is that property? If angles of a triangle are 45 degree and 90 degree, then side opposite to 45 degree is 1/√2 times hypotenuse. In figure, triangle PQR. Therefore, I draw a triangle PQR in which angle P 45 degree, angle Q 90, angle R 45 degree. Now, angle P, its opposite side is QR. Angle P, its opposite side is QR. Similarly, angle R, its opposite side PR. You study about you study the isosceles triangle theorem, in which if two sides are congruent, then its opposite angles also congruent. Its converse, if two angles are congruent, then its opposite sides also congruent. From figure, in triangle PQR, angle P is equal to angle R is equal to 45 degree and angle Q is equal to 90 degree. Therefore, side opposite to P 45 degree, PQ is side opposite to 45 degree. Similarly, QR side is opposite to 45 degree. PQ is equal to QR is equal to 1/√2 PR. मित्रांनो, तुम्ही या ठिकाणी 45 90 डिग्री ट्रायंगल प्रॉपर्टी शिकलात. तदनंतर 30-60 90 डिग्री ट्रायंगल याची प्रॉपर्टी शिकलात. पुन्हा आपण पायथागोरियन ट्रिपलेट कसं फाइंड करायचं, ए आणि बीच्या व्हॅल्यू असतील ते पण शिकलात. नंतर पायथागोरस थेरम आणि पायथागोरियन ट्रिपलेट कसं आयडेंटिफाय करायचं ते शिकलात. तुम्ही प्रॅक्टिस सेट 2.1 याच्यातला फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन हा घरी होमवर्कमध्ये सोडवा. ओके.